Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your password on Talabat account. So first we're going to go to the Talabat app. As I told you, you guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then next you're going to click on account. Then again click on settings on the top right corner. So once you're here, you're going to click on change password as you can see. Then you're going to write your current password. Then you're going to write your new password and confirm that. Then once you're done, you're going to click on submit. Then as you can see, we've changed our password. This is how you basically do it. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.